Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I thought I would sit down and give you an updated review on the Dyson Airwrap. I've had this device now for a little over a year, and looking back at my old video, it was more of a first impression type of video, and I just felt that it was so outdated. I use this device so differently right now, and my outlook on how I use this device has really changed. And I thought with the holiday season coming up, I know a lot of you would be thinking about purchasing this for your loved ones, or even if you do currently have the Dyson Airwrap and you're unsure of how to use it, I thought I would definitely give you guys my thoughts about how I've been using it and how it really has become such an essential tool to my hair care routine. Now, just a review on what comes with this set. It comes with a small mini hair dryer that is so good. It also comes with a round brush as well as two smoothing brush, a soft and a firm one. It also comes with 4 barrels, so one for the right side and the other one for the left side. And it comes with a 1.2 inch barrel as well as a 1.6 inch, and the 1.6 gives you more thicker beach-like curls, and that is what I use today to achieve these beautiful bouncy curls. Dyson has been releasing extra attachments for the Airwrap, and one of which are longer barrel sizes. For people like me that have really long hair, this has been a lifesaver. These are the 1.6 inch barrels. I love this size just because it really creates such bouncy waves, and that's really the look that I love. And I love that these are so much longer, because for longer hair I felt that the smaller barrel really didn't wrap all of my hair. Of course, there are some pros and cons to this set. However, I have been using this every single day. It really has become such an essential part to my hair care routine, and I filmed a little bit of a tutorial on exactly how I use it. So if you guys want to see how I use the Dyson Airwrap, then please continue watching. My natural hair is wavy, and I'm going to show you how I get smooth, shiny hair using the smoothing brush in the set. First, I part my hair and begin brushing the bottom layer with the soft smoothing brush. This attachment makes it so easy to smooth out my hair effortlessly while still keeping some body to the hair. Since this device smooths hair with no extreme heat, it has been safe to use daily, and I just love this Brazilian-like blowout that looks like I just went to a salon. Now I'm going to show you how I use the round brush to give more body as well as add a curve-like effect to the ends of my hair. The round brush is also perfect for those of us that have bangs. Now, this is what my hair looks like with just using these 2 attachments. I love these. These are basically the 2 attachments that I use every single day, and as you can see, it makes my hair look so shiny, so beautiful. I love that curvature right at the bottom, really makes it look lively and bouncy, which is the kind of hair that I love. This is my go-to hairstyle every single day. Now I want to show you guys how I curl my hair. With the kit, it does come with a shorter type of barrel to curl your hair, but I went ahead and bought the new attachment. This is the 1.6 inch, but as you can see, it's so much more longer than the original. This is just so short for my long hair, and when I try to curl it with this, I don't feel like I get the curl right up here. So let me show you how I curl my hair with it still dry. And we have a beautiful curl. And of course, I usually would put some hairspray on it. Now it will fall down, of course, because it's not wet, but I like this kind of look. I like that kind of effortless type of put together type of curl. Now, because I like to take a shower the night before, during the day when I want to style my hair and curl it using the Airwrap, I use one of these and I just slightly kind of spray my hair. It doesn't have to be too much at all, just a little bit. And we have a beautiful curl, and as you can see, when it's wet, the curl is so much more tighter than it is when it's dry. Still both very beautiful. I like to apply hairspray so that the curls stay for longer, and you can either apply hairspray onto each strand as you curl it, or you can apply hairspray once you're done. I kind of do both. It really depends. If I really want tight curls and I want them to last longer, then I would spray hairspray onto each curl, just like so. And then if I want kind of an effortless type of beachy waves, I will apply hairspray once I'm done with all of my curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of my hair, and then I'll probably add a little bit of hairspray. My hair this morning using the Airwrap, and it's been about 6 hours now, and as you can see, the curls kind of do mellow down, but they look so beautiful. And of course, this is a 1.6 inch barrel. This is a larger barrel, so it really isn't meant to give you such tight curls. If you do want that, you would have to use the 1.2 inch barrel. Dyson also released a 0.8 inch barrel. I can only imagine how tiny that barrel would be and how tight the curls would be using it. So if you guys like more of a tighter type of curl, then definitely I would recommend that barrel. Now, the cons to this massive box is the fact that it really is so heavy. Dyson does have a solution to that. They recently released travel pouches. Now they come in two colors, a pink and a purple, and they're actually very close to the pouch that they created for their straightener. And what's really nice about it is it's one of those wrap type of pouches, and you can just apply your Airwrap device with the barrels, actually any of the barrels that you love, also any extra attachment that you might purchase for the Airwrap. You can also find a limited edition copper set that has been released for the holiday season at Sephora. Now this set comes with everything that you see in here, but it's in a very beautiful copper color, and it also comes with a travel bag that you can travel with, and you can insert all of the different attachments to make it more travel friendly. And that's it for my updated review of the Dyson Airwrap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.